BleachBit is a free and open-source disk cleaning tool for Windows, Linux, and macOS X. It comes in different versions. I'll use the portable version for this video. The portable version allows it to run directly without installing it. On the left side of the window, you can select cache, logs, temporary files, etc. of different programs or apps that will be deleted. You can also select Windows and System Cache in the bottom of the list. Click on Preview in the top left of the screen to list all the files that will be deleted as well as their total size. It'll also show the disk space to be recovered in the bottom of the list. Now click on Clean to delete and that's it. Sometimes files that are still in use cannot be deleted and they'll be displayed with a red text. You can access other options by clicking on the icon in the top left corner. This is the Preferences tab, in which you can enable or disable different options. In the Custom tab, you can manually add files and directories that'll be deleted. In the Drives tab, you can choose a writable folder to overwrite free space. And lastly, in the Whitelist tab, you can manually add files and folders that will not be deleted or accessed by BleachBit. That's it for BleachBit.